How's it going, bros? Alright, I opened the box somehow and decided to do a little unboxing video. It's too heavy and I don't know how the hell I just cut it from the box, but okay, let's start from the accessories tools. 21 collezione di carta. Let's see, what is that? Republic of Gamers, alright. What is here? Should be maybe drivers, maybe. Oh no, that's the quick start guide. That's the book. Just smell it. English, Portuguese, польский, эллиника, турксе, бахаса, Индонезия, эспаньол, хорватский, магерский. Так, украинская. На русском его, конечно же, нету. Yeah, because of the latest events on Russian, there is less and less which you can meet in international manuals. But what's interesting, what's very interesting here, there's still some signature in Russian. Рекомендуемые системные требования. Один дополнительный соединитель питания для 16-pin Express. DirectX 12. Alright, I hope I didn't fucked up nothing in that box, because it just fell on the ground. Okay, quick start guide, that's it. No disk, no drivers, no nothing. Usually it comes now with an USB stick. This USB stick was not yet found, but I don't think that's even needed. In search of incredible warranty card. Nice. Please don't forget your purchase proof. Thank you for purchasing ASUS graphics card. Meticulously crafted and thoroughly tested to deliver the quality you expect from a premium product. We hope you enjoy your purchase. To download drivers and software, please visit ASUS support site at asus.com/support and select graphic cards. More simpler. There's not anymore stick drive, which they included in the motherboard. Here is download online, that's it. Otherwise, what the hell are you doing without the internet? Okay. That's a solid piece. Nice. Second, what we have in the box. I was thinking the flash with drives, but no. That's the thing I don't really like to concern, but okay. That's the support holder, which we'll need to put on the bottom and extend to top to hold your video card in the case, because otherwise it's too heavy, it won't hold up. Playing cap, Republic of Gamers. Oh, I remember those playing caps since I was a kid. Ingredients: game controller, game mouse, lighting effects, performance energy, SSD snacks. Cold drink, strategy, teamwork, 99% skill, 1% of luck. Nice. ROG formula. Republic of Gamers. That's the mounting belt with a clue-in clip. Nice. That's the 12 VH power connector, seems to be. Oh my god, NVIDIA. Looks like solid, and believed to be that ASUS fixed in these versions. It's not anymore melting down, because what is here? Liner. If I was back to school. Where's my school years? And such accessory, which I don't understood what is it, but I initially thought that's a USB stick drive with drivers. It's such an accessory, which showing that you're having this video card. Nice. Alright, to the video card itself. It's heavy as stone. Let's see. My God. Look at the size of that. I'll record a spare video when unpacking because it's literally so heavy. I cannot pull it up without, let's say, well, we need without the box damage. So another video, another unpacking.